Good. Stop loss is now at break even. It's now a risk free trade. Alright, feel my heart. You know, my beats per minute slowing down a bit there. Coming back to human speed and hummingbird. I've been trying to move my stop loss to break even, as in me to have to re-enter multiple times. And you know, putting my body through work, trading, trying to catch these pips. We up. So it's a new day. Did not get a chance to update you guys yesterday. One, because this trade didn't hit TP or stop loss till 7:45 this morning, and two, I wasn't home yesterday afternoon, so till last night I got to open up the charts and it wouldn't make sense recording any night. So I'm looking at the charts still. To be very honest, my bias hasn't changed to the downside. I mean, there's potential to go down to maybe like 17,800 from 17,991, but still watching it. I don't have any like valid opportunities to sell, even though price is bearish. I just don't want to jump in on the momentum. I prefer it to give me like a good, like a higher point to sell from, where I would be closer to an anchor point to put my stop rather than just have an open trade. So that's it for now. Just want to update y'all, and once I get the trade, gonna enter it, going to pull back out the camera and start by recording. But for now, that's it. Alright, so I'm in a trade. I just entered a quick scalp, last 100 on the 1 minute time frame, but I didn't send this out to the chat. Only swing trades I sent to the chat, and this is a scalp. Even though my lot size is increased, I am only risking $20. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but even though I'm risking $20, somehow that is not comfort me. Just wanted to pull out the camera and get it for you guys. Like, I don't know if this is gonna hit TP when I am recording. I don't know whether I could bring my stop loss to break even. I'm thinking I should. Some of the guys in the chat room was actually telling me I should try, because another guy and me, we trade basically the same setups, and he just bringing his stop loss to break even, and he said he started seeing better results. So I don't know. Good. Stop loss is now at break even. It's now a risk free trade. Alright, feel my heart. You know, my beats per minute slowing down a bit there. Coming back to human speed and hummingbird. But yeah, I'm gonna try chip up this video to make it a little more shorter, but I don't want to record the whole thing, so I don't know if this is gonna come now, but I can come back in and check in with y'all, whether we hit TP or break even at SL. I think my entry is somewhere around like here, and my take profit is on stop loss is there, take profit there. So yeah, if I'm stopped out, it's a little bit of profit, still cool with that. If it hit TP, that's $140 and closer to my target. I think my target is 480, and that would take me to 340. So yeah, I would just have like 140 left to go. Another trade like this. Just watching. Just got by side. I forgot this camera might just pick up little volumes, but yeah, it's not really moving as much as I thought it would be moving over here though, compared to what I seen it. I think it's gonna run these lows, like or at least this low. Come on, price, what is you doing, boy? Gonna hold. This trade follows my rules, by the way. I ain't just enter a while, you know. Highs were taken, low that was farmed before the high were taken, broken impulsively to the downside, retracement into the fair value gap, went on it, aiming for recent lows. So that's why I'm trying to hold this trade and remain disciplined. Recent lows take. Now it comes to the point where I want to either hold this trade or close this trade. I'm thinking, and if I'm being honest with y'all, I would close it, because overall momentum is towards the upside, and you know, don't want to go against the trend. Trend is always your friend until the end, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait. We're still dropping. Hear the sound? Oh no, my phone is silent. Boom. We out to the trade with 90. How much is that? $93, bro. The $7 short to 20 grand, $1,200 short. It's cool, man. I like these days where you just, you know, make a cool $100 in 10-20 minutes. Big buy. Thumb the chest. Alright, cool. Heart slowing down as usual. When I'm out to the trade, that's when it start behave. I don't really do business what price choose to do, but I'm watching. I never know, I might get a proper entry where I could enter with the normal risk for this account size, and I can also send the trade out to the VIP community. And I never know, might forward it to the free as well today too. Make it like 3 signals for the week. Man, in a good mood. But I was happy I was able to catch that sell. I am now at 6,300. Recovered the losses from yesterday's trade, that one trade, and not bad, $180 away from profit. I was looking to be $140, but to risk it to come back to stop loss, which was at break even when I was already in profit, I was like, nah, just pure return. Either come again tomorrow or the next trade. This video probably long as fudge because this yesterday video combined with this one, but I ain't gonna make it too long. No trade breakdown and stuff like that. I've already done the trade breakdown. It's the exact same thing, I'm just doing it again. So if you want a trade breakdown, you could catch any of the other ones. I'm not gonna break down how I journal either because I do that already. So rather than doing the same video over and over, it's best I come for new content, new value and new farms, you know. So I'm going to put that all together, process this, and either come back to you guys later or in the next video. Welcome back to apparently my longest video ever because I just got another trade opportunity. Something I should mention, this is the second trade opportunity. I just didn't get a chance to pull out the camera, but I managed to catch a scalp from the 1 minute. It was, I'm gonna just mark up the trade parameters, but I'm gonna delete it because it might just cloud up the screen. This was the trade that I caught, basically a 1-to-1, but I used the larger lot size, the 0.50. So yeah, I remember this trade. Just brought it out to have like a visual representation. This brought me back to above break even, so I'm now 6,300 in the account, but I'm watching, you know, this risk is about I ain't even sure to be honest. Okay, so this risk is $33. Cool with them. That would basically be about the profit from today. But I sent this out to the chat. It looked like a valid move to the downside, even though the candle is still iffy. Still trusting in the trade. Gonna watch and see how it plays out. And yeah, for sure. If we could reduce the risk to maybe about here, then that would be cool too. But let me see how it goes first. Over time, I might start putting my stop loss. Oh, one thing for sure I can start implementing in my trades is trailing my stop loss. So for sure, yeah, man, I'm gonna check back in with y'all periodically. So obviously I've been trading and I've been trying to move my stop loss to break even, as in me to have to re-enter multiple times, and you know, putting my body to work trading, trying to catch these pips. We up $50. I was up about 380 at one point. But so look at the lot sizes as well. You know, 0.50. So far it's 0.50 traded today. Both profitable, but you know, it's the large few hit stop losses. I said, you know, I had to re-enter, and yeah, it was a good day, to be honest. The chat is still holding this, the VIP community is still holding this, but I told them I was coming out. I told them bring your stop loss to break even or take partials because I am exiting. So, but I did not say that you have to exit, so you can hold at your own risk. Hopefully some persons end up catching the full move, but hey, I out. That's gonna be it for this video for sure now, for sure now. Gonna come back tomorrow. I think it's like $120 more before I pass the challenge, so definitely gonna come back at it fresh tomorrow with a fresh mindset, because to be honest, I think if I go back in, I can be making bad decisions because I was very shaky in these, only because I was overall bearish. I was only looking for sells, so whenever I get tech out, I'm looking for another opportunity to go back in. So regardless, catch y'all in the next one for sure. This is the end of it, but I already know. Like, comment, subscribe.